Want to start your mornings like a self-made millionaire? At WealthWise Media, wealth without wisdom doesn't last. Here are 7 morning habits to master in 2025. Boost energy, sharpen focus, and set your day up for success. Habit 1. Wake up early. Use quiet time to review goals and align your day with your vision. Map your top 3 priorities before distractions. Clarity first, decisions later. Habit 2. Move your body. 15 minutes of cardio, yoga, or a brisk walk jumpstarts focus. Energy fuels big decisions. Small movement, big momentum. Habit 3. Hydrate and fuel right. A balanced breakfast and water support sustained focus. Skip heavy sugar. Choose protein and water. Fuel equals focus. Habit 3. Read for 20 minutes. Consistent learning compounds into new ideas and opportunities. Turn reading into action. Knowledge scales your returns. Habit 5. Visualize success. Daily affirmations. Hardwire confidence and direction. Mentally rehearse key wins for the day. Think bigger, act clearer. Habit 6. Journal and reflect. Capture wins, lessons, and your top focus for the day. Reflection sharpens long-term thinking. Small notes, big perspective. Habit 7. Plan strategically. Focus on tasks that move the needle. Leverage, scalability, revenue. Block time for deep work and protect it. Work on what only you can do. At WealthWise Media, we help you build wealth with wisdom. Which habit will you start tomorrow? Comment below, subscribe, and hit the bell for more millionaire strategies every week.